Jürgen Hohen, Lederhosen Salesforce. I'm here to talk to you about GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulations of the EU. Effective May 25th, 2018. Penalty 4% or 20 million euros for non-compliance if audited. What it covers, not just technology, but it covers process, people, and technology. So three things, right? Privacy policies, data inventory, which you need to control and manage, processes and procedures, and then GDPR, request and consent management. Following videos will deal with that. Thank you so much. Who's affected? Everybody that has relationships from these people in this group here. Well, it kind of goes way up and down. So that's probably going to include the Brits because they're talking about having exactly the same. With that, watch for updates and the descriptive below, and I'll provide valid links, and please make some comments and I'll try to answer them in about a week's time lag. Thank you so much.